In Vim, you can edit multiple lines at once. So let's say you have this list of names and you want to type name in front of it. So to do that with multiple lines, one way to do it is like this. You press Ctrl V, then you'll see it goes in visual mode. You might need to switch into command mode first. So this escape, Ctrl V, then press the down arrow or the J key. Then press Shift I. And you can start typing, for example, name colon. Move to the beginning of the line and we press escape. Now nothing changed yet. And if you press the down key, see it added name to all of the lines. So you can edit multiple lines like this. You won't see actually multiple cursors, but it will jump to the first line of the selection. And then you can edit them at once with multiple lines. So it can be very useful if you want to edit multiple lines. You can do this trick and do multiple lines at once. Alternatively, you can use keyboard macros and replace those. But this is also quite an easy trick to edit multiple lines at once.